All right, welcome back to the channel. We got a 2008 Jeep Patriot. Got 141,275 miles on it. Off camera, I took the wheels off. We've got it in here today for a new outer tie rod in. They were complaining of a clunking noise. We got a lot of clunking going on there. Not so much there. There we go. Something tells me that's not going to come out easily either. So I got that going for me. Not that we have to save it, but is that a 19? I think it wants to be an 18, but yeah. Oh. Okay. There we go. Okay. $19. Technically that should come right out, but it's not. And then let go. I mean, there it is. We're not saving it, so there we go. All right, Come on, baby. You're like right there. There we go. Let's get that snug down that side. It's still 19. So let's get it snug. I do believe I'm going to have to do that by hand. All right, let me look up an actual torque spec on that. Get that snug down. Okay. Now, I'll tell you right now, I don't have an alignment rack. We're just getting it really close to where it was, and we'll have to get it aligned. Let me look up that torque spec. All right, come on here, son of a gun. Oh, there we go. And this particular tie rod end I got does not take a cotter pin, just uses that lock nut, but there we go. That's gonna wrap this one up. Yeah, put the wheel back on. We'll take it for a test drive and see if that solved our problem. I'll report back if it didn't. We'll be back. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.